Hello kids, welcome to BoBo World. Hi BoBo.
Hello. How is everyone doing today? Whoa, what is this? What are we going to do today?
It's Wheels on the Bus puzzle. We are going to solve puzzles today.
Wow, that's a fun idea.
Do you see here? We have all the puzzle pieces here today. We are gonna see where does each of these go and fits in this puzzle.
Wow, that's nice. Oh, what is this?
Oh yeah, it's a big red vase.
That looks nice.
This is gonna help us to solve the puzzle.
Yay!
So, what is this, BoBo?
Oh, it's a wheel.
Let's check on the bus.
Okay.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. So where does this go? Oh, we have one here. So I think it goes here.
Yeah.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Yay!
Yeah.
We did it!
Let's do the next one.
Okay. What's this, BoBo?
I see people sitting inside the bus.
Yeah, let's check out on the bus. We have people sitting on the bus. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. Where does this go now?
I think it goes here.
It goes here?
Yes.
Let's put it here.
Yay.
The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
BoBo, what's this?
That looks like a door to me.
Yes, you're right. So let's check out the door on the bus.
Yes.
Do you see the blue door here?
Yes, I see it.
Let's open it. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. Where does this go now?
Let me see.
I think it goes here.
Yes.
The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town.
Yay!
Let's do the next one.
Okay, so what is this, BoBo?
Is that a driver?
Yes, you're right. What does the driver do?
He drives the bus.
Yes, do you see the driver on the bus?
Yes.
The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back all day long. So where does this piece goes?
I see the driver here.
Correct, BoBo. Let's put it
Yay.
here.
The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town.
Yay, done.
Yay.
So BoBo, you're
Yes.
just left with 2 more pieces now.
Wow, let's do it.
Let's do it. What is this?
Whoa. Is that the wiper of the bus?
Yes. Look, we have wipers.
Wow.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 the wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Where does this go on the puzzle?
This is the front of the bus. So I think it goes here.
Correct.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Bobo, we are
Yes.
left with the last piece now.
Wow.
What is this?
It's the horn.
Yes, correct.
Hee.
So let's check horn on the bus. I see it's here. Beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Nice.
Where will this go then?
I think it goes here, where it says beep, beep, beep.
Correct, Bobo. Well done.
Thank you.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Hooray!
Hooray! We are done. We have a yellow bus here.
Wow, that's so nice and cool, isn't it?
And we also have a red bus here.
Yes, we have 2 buses.
Okay, kids. I see we are done with the puzzles. Thank you for learning with Bobo.
Thank you everyone, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.